At LGLESMO, we called our coffee table magic, because as if by magic, they can be raised and transformed into dining tables. The main feature of this model is the tabletop that rotates. So what was previously the length of the coffee table becomes the width of the extended dining table. So from a very tiny table, you can obtain a dining table that can accommodate up to 16 people. For the table extension, you can decide whether to hang it on the wall like a paint, or you can store them in a bag as you want. When the table is fully extended, you can see that there are no legs in between, so wherever you sit, you will be super comfortable. Our craftsmen just here in Milan are working with passion and with great attention to details, so we only use made in Italy high-quality materials, and the aim is to obtain the products, space-saving furniture that are of high quality, that are functional and also practical. We do not have a standard production, so we produce each piece of furniture by order. So just leave your imagination free, and I'm here to help you to create your own piece of art.